If you're experiencing login failures in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to enhance your login experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is crucial for logging into Minecraft. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Verify your account credentials. Double-check your username and password for accuracy. Make sure that there are no typos and that you are using the correct case, as passwords are case-sensitive. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can resolve compatibility issues that may be causing login failures. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. If you are using a web browser to log in, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be interfering with the login process. Step 5. Contact support. If you have tried all the previous steps and are still unable to log in, reach out to Minecraft support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you receive. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your login experience in Minecraft. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or official support channels.